वेर्णा औद्योगिक संघटनेची वर्सुकी सभा शुक्रारा जाली. वेर्णा जाल्ल्या ह्या सभेक गोंय राज्याचो उद्देग खात्याचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे, वीज खात्याचो मंत्री निलेश काब्राल आनी IDCचो अध्यक्ष ग्लेन टिकलो संघटनेच्या मानेस्तां बरोबर सोयरे म्हूण माचयेर आसले.
ह्या फावटी हांवें कितें केलां, मेन मुद्दे आमचे रेग्युलर आहा पळय ते हांव उलोवंकूच ना. ते पर्सिस्टंटली आतां 3 वर्सां जाले तशेंच कंटिन्यू आहा. आतां वॉट आय एम इन्सिस्टींग दीस टायम इज टू मेक इट ऑनलायन. ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स आहा पळय ऑनलायन करतकीर कितें जातलें, देर वील बी सम ओनर्स ऑन द डिपार्टमेंट टू आन्सर. कित्याक आतां आमी एप्लिकेशन केलें, डेट उरतली न्ही केन्ना एप्लिकेशन केलां तें. टायम 21 दिसान जाय, 21 दिसान दिवपाक जाय. आतां कितें जाता, लेटर दिलें हे 6 म्हयने 7 म्हयने रिप्लाय करना, कोणाक कांयच कळना. एकदां डेटा सगळो जर ऑनलायन आयलो सगळ्या कंपनीचो आनी हाचो आनी सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो, जाल्यार मुवमेंट वील बी मच इजियर. कोणी जर नवो जर बिजनेस स्टार्ट करपाक सोदता न्ही, ताका हे दीस प्लॅटफॉर्म वील बी व्हेरी इजी टू कम्युनिकेट. नाल्यार कितें जाता, ह्या मिनिस्टराचे पांय धर, फाल्यां वचून त्या मिनिस्टराचे पांय धर, तशें जावपाक ना. बाय सिस्टम द प्रोसिजर हॅज टू वर्क. तुका कसलें परमिशन जाय, बाय सिस्टम तूं एप्लाय केलें, पोल्युशन, फायर, फॅक्ट्रीज एंड बॉयलर तुका मेळपाक जाय न्ही. नाल्यार आतां कितें जाता, आमकां पळय फॅक्ट्रीज एंड बॉयलरा कडेन सेपरेट वचचें पडटा, पोल्युशना कडेन सेपरेट वचचें पडटा आनी प्रत्येक फावटी ते नवीन नवीन पॉयंट काडटा. आतां फॅक्ट्रीज एंड बॉयलरान कितले तरी नवीन पॉयंट काडला, ते हांवें मेन्शन केल्ले पळय, इल्युमिनेशन म्हणून हें जाय आनी कितें जाय. सो देर इज नो एंड टू इट. So once it is transparent and clear, विश्वजितान पासून म्हटलां, what he is trying to promote is a transparency in the government.
गोंयांतली बेकारी कमी करपाच्या नदरेन आमकां उद्देग मुखार व्हरपाची गरज आसा. त्या प्रमाण गुंतवणूक प्रोत्साहन मंडळ आनी IDCन उद्देगाक परवानो दितना जतनाय घेवपाची गरज आसा. एकदां निर्णय जातकच मुखावयलो पाठपुरावो बेगिना पुराय करपाचो सरकारान निर्णय घेतिल्ल्याचें मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगलें.
ह्या तरेचे डिसिजन घेवन जाय जे गोंयचे हिताना. सपोज देर इज अ कंपनी, इट डजंट हॅव एनी फायनान्शियल बॅकिंग अँड इट आस्क फॉर लँड, यू कॅनॉट गिव लँड टू सच अ कंपनी एनी मोर. आफ्टर ऑल, गोवन लँड इज व्हेरी प्रेशियस. एवरी स्क्वेअर इंच ऑफ लँड that is given from now on, we have to evaluate how much benefit it will bring to the state of Goa. I am very clear on record. I have said there should be one point of contact, that is the Chief Minister of Goa. IPB has to have a definite and very clear-cut role under his leadership with his vision. IDC also cannot become defunct. IDC has to have its own role, and same way we have to move forward. But I believe that in the last cabinet decision, which I have already discussed with Honorable Chief Minister, with his view, we will decide is after auctioning that 5 lakh balanced land, how best we can utilize. We need to take the local industry into confidence. We need to see that we bring industries that can create ancillaries around it, and we have to see how jobs can be created, and same time existing industrialists cannot be running behind the government for permission, but in fact there has to be accountability. So we have decided today, once a decision is taken by IPB, it will be implemented by the IDC or whichever department it is within 15 to 20 days and report back to the Honorable Chief Minister. So this is the way we think we should move forward. If we do not fast track, neither industry will be happy. Next year when I come, we'll have the same issues. Mr. Kochkar, printout I have taken just to keep with me, because he has been repeating it continuously. But somewhere we, whether it is Glenn as a IDC chairman, whether it is Mr. Kochkar, whether it is me, whether it is Nilesh, in the interest of the state, because we cannot depend only on all government employment. There are young educated boys, so then we are also now integrating skilling. And we want IDC to integrate it with us, because we are now, the committee is being formed in the next couple of days by Union Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. We are coming out with the entrepreneurship policy. We have to have the skilling of international standards, so that we can skill the Goan boys, and so that they don't only are dependent on jobs within the state of Goa, but they can be exported to outside the country and get jobs.
उद्देगाक वीज खात्या कडल्यान जाय आशिल्ली मदत वीज खातें करतले. ताचे खातीर विजय संबंधान सगळे सुविधा तयार करतले, अशें मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान सांगलें.
See, what has happened in the industrial states, the streetlights, some are maintained by government and by electricity department, some are maintained by IDC. As a policy decision which is coming next week in the cabinet, we are taking in entire streetlights of Goa. I know we have the existing issues are still a little problem, but it is not like before. We have improvised, we are correcting, we are making measures. Because it was outsourced to a company, where they are having their own issues. So we want to take it back. That is one issue within a department and that company. But as a policy, all the street lights we are taking, like we are aware from Airport Road to Junction here at Billa, at Verna, the lights were not working only. So now I have taken over and we have started repairing on our own. So like this as a policy we are taking over. Secondly, we had tendered 110 kVA power station change on conductor line. I'm happy to say that we have finished one already. We are finishing the other. So the Verna industrial estate, we improvise in giving 24 hours power. And secondly, we want to do underground cabling of 11 kVA and 33 in Verna at a priority. So all this will be taken on a priority basis.
उद्देग वाडोवपाच्या हेतान वेर्णा IDCची सुवात वाडोवपाचो प्रस्ताव चालू आसा. सरकाराची अजून मान्यताय मेळोंक ना अशा IDCचो अध्यक्ष ग्लेन टिक्लोन सांगले.
Already we have got about total 38 lakhs of square meters, but 24 lakhs are already घेतलेले आसा. I said in this Verna state, and where 5 lakhs will be auctioned to repay the loans we have taken. But also importantly is our minister is taking also the Chief Minister into confidence that balance land of auction should not be auctioned, but is getting the entrepreneurs, getting the registrars. Konang actually Dupak, as per the IPB, they will decide that more than 3,000 land goes to IPB. They will decide who is the right person, right entrepreneur, and land will be allotted accordingly.
How long will it take to म्हणजे total process आणि जागा return येवपाक कितला time लागतो?
No, जागा already घेतलो आमच्या ताब्यान already जागा आसा. Land is already in our possession. Now only the problem is the government have to give a clearance where the initially EDC was supposed to give the land. Now the EDC has taken a board meeting where we have to send it back to government where EDC will take over and appoint an expert to do the auctioning of the land.